Hey guys, so I'm doing a voiceover. So this is my Boxycharm for June and my Sephora play. And we're outside unboxing it. And so the first thing in this box is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. And then we have a Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner. And then we have a Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Tea. And then we have the Touch and Soul No Problème Prom Essence. And then we have the Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the inside of the Tarte palette. And that's the front. It's very tropical, and the back with the shade names. And this is what the lip gloss is looking like. And the primer. Okay, so now to Sephora Play. The first thing that you get is your 50 points and the description of your products. And it comes in this little bag. I'm just going to pour this out. And the first thing was the bonus, which is a shampoo and conditioner packet from the brand Chlorane, I think is how you pronounce it. It's an anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner with aquatic mint. Next we have the Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. Next we have this lip sleeping mask from Laneige. I'm not really sure how to pronounce them, but I really like their sleep mask, the moisturizer in the little blue container. So I'm sure I'll love this one. Alright, this is the Sephora Collection All Day Hydrator Hydrate and Glow. Yeah, it looks really good. And it's got vitamins E and C in it, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, the next thing that we have is going to be the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. And I've been wanting to try this out. I believe Kathleen Lights and a few other people on YouTube were talking about this, saying that they really liked it. And it smells really good. Next, we have the Tarte Foundcealer Skincare Foundation with SPF 20. And this is in the shade Fairlight Sand. I was really, really excited to get this in my box, and I can't wait to try it out. I also thought the packaging was really cute. Okay, so this is up close of the lip sleeping mask. And this also smells really good. There's the directions. And this is the Sephora All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. And then the Tarte Foundcealer. And it comes with a pump, so that is great. Mine got a little bent, but I fixed it. And here's the full collection from both Sephora Play and then from Boxycharm. Let me know if you guys do any of these subscriptions down below in the comments. Hey guys, so I just got my June Boxycharm and Sephora Play, and so I just opened them up and I'm pretty excited about this. I was really hoping to get the Tarte Foundcealer foundation in the Sephora Play, so I'm really excited to try that out today. And the color that they sent me in it is probably going to be perfect. I think it was Fair Light Sand. I think that's going to be a good choice for my skin tone. So I brought my cat Jake out here to do the unboxing, and he's been really bad. He is under here. You see him? Jake, come here. Well, yeah, he has been loving going outside recently and is giving me a little bit of an attitude. Jake, say hello. Look, you got stuff all over your face. Jake, say hello to YouTube. Hey guys, I have my friend Alexis here. We are currently at work, but I'm trying out the Tarte Foundcealer foundation, but I'm really liking it. We found a nice little natural light window, so yeah, we'll see how it wears throughout the rest of the evening. Bye! Hey guys, so it's the end of the night. It is like almost 12. I've been at work since 4:30, and this is what the foundation is looking like. I think I'm really liking it. Sorry. I think it's really pretty. It's actually stayed on and has felt really, really nice. It doesn't feel like it's breaking up or it's greasy or anything. And the color, again, I really like it. I think it's perfect. Sorry, I work at a movie theater, if you guys have not noticed, but I am upstairs cutting off our projectors. So it gets a little dark up here, and also can get a little loud with the fans. So it's about to get really dark. Sorry. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So I've been wearing this foundation since probably like 3, and it's 12. So, I mean, I think it held up pretty well. I'm a little shiny, but not too bad. I actually kind of like it. I think it looks a little like dewy. So yeah, I work at a movie theater, and it's pretty fun. I've been here for like 7 years, so quite some time. But it's nice. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. So yeah, this is one last close-up of everything. I used the Dream Street ColourPop Kathleen Lutz eyeshadow palette, and then I also used the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio and Anastasia and IT Cosmetics brow products. I think I'm really liking the IT Cosmetics one maybe a little bit better, but it just goes on so smoothly. Alright guys, that completes this video. I just got home after a long day of work, and this video kind of was an unboxing and then like a try on or first impressions, and also a little bit of a vlog. So I kind of took you guys along with me at work. So it's a little mixture of different things. But yeah, if you guys liked this video and would like to see more from me, just hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment, a like, whatever. I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Good night.